Hello, today we are going to show you how to replace the monophase pressure switch on this air compressor because it has some leak and it's my first time. So let's see how does it work. So this is broken and so we start removing this because this is leaking, and we get the screwdriver. We're gonna remove this, and then we start removing this with the keys number 14, the manometer, and then okay, this is done. So let's open the new one so we see if there is anything that is different from that. So it seems pretty much the same. So we have N, B, and B, and B, and B. All right. So let's start taking this one off. So these two cables, the one that are coming from the engine, from the motor, and this one, that the one that coming from the plug. Very cold. Okay. And then now the pipe. With the keys number 15, we undo this. This is another safety valve, which we need to remember to install on the newer one. Same thing although on this side, but this is a number 14. Because this is hold, I need to do up and down a little bit. If you do put too much pressure only once, you may risk to damage. Place that off. Now I'm gonna clean this. We're gonna put a bit of PTFE or sealing cord. Make sure when you put this, you put clockwise, not anti-clockwise. Otherwise, when you're screwing the new part in, the cord will come off, or the PTFE it will come out. So it needs to be always clockwise. So the new one is here. The manometer on the side, on the front. Still PTFE clockwise, or filling cords, whatever you wish to call it. Then we have the safety valve. I hope you can see me. Hope this video will help you out. If you have any question, please type on the comment below, and I'll be happy to explain more in details. If you get lost, I'm more than happy to do that. Bear in mind, it's my first time. I never done this type of video replacing thing. I know how to do it because I use my logic and I have a little bit of experience in mechanic thing. I should have put like a different paste, but I don't have it, so I can use this one, which is same thing. Maybe somebody doesn't agree, but that's what I would like to do, and this is what I'm doing. Now we're gonna open this nice new air pressure regulator. Okay, now we have to tight this one at the at the bottom, which to be honest, I don't know how to do it, which I think I should have done before. Well, I think I found a solution. If you remove this, which is the one that holding the cable, you will be able to insert the keys, which in my case is number 12. Okay, now what we do, we'll take this off. We're gonna insert this free wiring into this, like this. And we slide it all the way down, and we insert this free wiring inside here. It's best if we do one by one. 2 and 3. If you don't know, the brown stands for live, the blue stands for neutral, and the yellow green stands for hertz. In case it's your first time, you don't know about wiring, this is what it stands for. So you can start learning about this. Then we set this one, it goes underneath. Blue up where the N is, which stands for neutral, and the P is stands for phase, which is the live. And now we're gonna put this one. So we're gonna insert still again this free cable inside here, and we're gonna insert one by one. I know it's a bit of time consumer, but that's the process that I have to do. I'm gonna run this all the way up here. Okay. So and again. So we have the hertz, which is the yellow green. We have neutral phase. Okay, I'm gonna put this. Let's see the moment of truth. Plug in. 3, 2, 1. Success! So basically now he has stopped, but he has stopped too early than expect. He stopped at 8 bar, which we want that he will stop more. So theoretically we have to do this more, and theoretically this should go up more. Let's see. Got it. 39 bar. 10 bar. So it should stop, I guess, soon. If it doesn't, 10 bar and 1. So that's good. So we're gonna put this back in. We're gonna screw this back and we finish. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, press the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Thank you.